All right, guys. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. This is ODJ Update. Well, today I want to start. I want to continue our analysis on the charts. Last week was NFP, and I predicted the fall of the US dollar. That the US dollar is gonna devalue. It's gonna be devalued. It's gonna be sold, and that was what exactly happened. So and so so are the predictions in my site. Guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel while I drop in some value. I try to help you understand the financial market and how you can go about taking advantage of this opportunity. We are going to start by looking at the news on uh, Forex factory. So as at yesterday was bank holiday in the US, so there was not much done. Yesterday was bank holiday, so there was not much done. According to the US dollar, Great British Pounds US dollar, this was the amount that was sold. Let us check the number of pips that was sold. The number of pips as at yesterday. The number of pips as at yesterday. The number of pips as at yesterday was just 30 pips. If you watch my previous video, I said it's going to be a slow day. It is 30 pips, just 30 pips, 30 pips here sold. Why? Because the US market, which is the most volatile market, was not was on holidays. That was why yesterday's market was slow. So today the US market, the US will be on. The market will be on. So today is going to be an exciting day. Though it's still going to be slow because according to market sentiment, on the dailyforex.com website, according to market sentiment, it seems as if the Great British Pounds and the US dollar is going to be mixed. That is, sellers are going to come in and buyers. It is 17%, 1%, 70% of people are long, while 1% of people are short, and the other 9 are neutral. They are not. They don't seem interested. So that is it with GDP USD. If we look at the chart, we'll find out that there is huge demand here. There is demand here. You understand? There is demand here, and that the price resisted 38656. The price resisted 38656. So the price resisted 356. I think since market sentiment says the market is not much of a bullish market, but it seems as if across other pairs, US dollar is not going to do well. You understand? Like this particular one says bullish. Euro USD says bullish. Euro USD says bullish. USD card. Euro USD is 41% bullish. USD card is 73% bullish. That shows that maybe there will be a little bit of buy in the US dollar, and that the Great British Pound is going to drop. The way I say it, I think the Great British Pound is going to drop. I think the Great British Pound is going to drop. I think this is the weekly chart. I think the Great British Pound is going to drop. We are going to be looking at GDP USD touching 137,367. That is what I think. It's going to touch 137,37. 137,37. It's gonna fall further. It's gonna fall further. So that's a weekly chart. That's a weekly chart. Let us look at gold. Gold US dollar. Gold US dollar. US dollar. US dollar gold. Price seems to be rejected at 1832, and whoa, seems price is gonna drop on gold. Price is gonna hit, maybe price is gonna hit 800. It's 1800. Price might hit 1800 before before there's gonna be a buy, because look at this sellout. Look at this sellout. They sold here, and there is demand for the US for gold. There's demand for gold. So I think there's demand for gold. I think the gold is gonna drop a little. Then before the buying will start, it's gonna drop a little before the buying will start. Let's check DXY, the US dollar index. DXY, the US dollar index. DXY, the US dollar index. People, man, you understand? And okay, the US dollar might gain a little. Why? Because this is a strong resistance level. This is a strong resistance level, and it might gain a little. It might gain a little. There's gonna be a buy maybe to this level. Maybe it might gain a little. So my overall bias is that the US dollar, the US dollar is gonna buy, and that currency like GDP USD is gonna sell, and also gold too. Gold is going to sell. Gold is going to sell today. That is what I think. That is what I think. That is what, based on my technical analysis and also on the market sentiment that I have come to understand. Let us go through the fundamentals. We don't see any high impact news here. There's no high impact news. There's no high impact. There's no major news on. There's no major news today. We have a member of the House of Parliament want to speak, and so there's no major news today that's going to make the price to do some some good movement. So we will not be expecting much from the market today. We will not be expecting much still from the market. And also, if the market want to move, it's going to move downward. That's what I think. I think the British pounds is gonna drop some more. Gonna drop some more to drop. So guys, that is what I think. That is based on my analysis. And if we go through let's say Euro USD, let us see what Euro USD is gonna do. Okay, 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 okay. This is a major resistance level. This is a major resistance level. This is a major resistance zone. So the price might drop a little. Price might drop a little. That is how I say. price might drop a little. With euro USD, price might drop a little. Guys, just go through my videos and try to relate to the market and see if I am doing well in the market. I think I've been doing well. I've been performing very well. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be dropping more of my analysis, and you're gonna see how well I do in the market. So so that is it, guys. That is it, guys. That is how I see